welcome back to today's video. I am super excited because today I just wanted to sit down and be the little young Reena who was watching YouTube back in the day of 2016, having no responsibilities, just enjoying her favorite beauty guru slash influencers nighttime skincare routine. तो मुझे आज बस वही करना है. I want to live in those days and let me know if you love these old school kind of videos because I sure as hell love reminiscing on the memories of watching these videos and now today actually even doing it for some of you guys. So yes, आज मैं बस अच्छे से बैठ के आपके साथ थोड़ी गपशप करने वाली हूँ और ये फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप निकाल के आपके साथ मेरा लेटेस्ट नया वाला स्किन केयर रूटीन स्पेशली फॉर नाइट टाइम इन विंटर्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ with affordable products. So I really hope you enjoy and if you do, you know what to do. Subscribe करना है, वो बिल्कुल free है. And yes, without any further ado, चलो चलते हैं. Personally, I like to start off with my hair away from my face, and when I say away, I mean away. Yeah, this is when I feel like, you know, I'm in my element, in my action. So yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of jewelry because especially अगर मैं नकली jewelry पहनती हूँ, which is honestly like a 50-50 situation, so I don't like to get it wet in water because not all of them are anti-tarnish and even if they are, I mean जानबूझ के क्यों खराब करूँ. Okay, as you can see, I have like a full face of makeup. Today was relatively a very hectic busy day, so then I like to go ahead and use this baby right here. It's from the house of Faceshop and this is the rice water brightening face makeup removing balm. It's actually more like a makeup removing cream than a balm. It's actually a very old product that I have really enjoyed and somehow I stopped using it in between. But yeah, you need very little amount of this and just apply it all over your face and a little something on your eyes. Then I also have my dampened Miniso towel. It looks very dirty, please excuse me. This is just me trying to do my bit for the environment. But yeah, with that being said, as you can see, it's just melting my makeup right away. Now time for reality. Can this get rid of my eye makeup? We shall see. I like to go ahead and take my makeup removing towel and remove my makeup away. I like to rest my makeup removing towel on my eye for like 30 seconds and then get rid of my makeup. Doing the same on the other eye. Most of my makeup is gone. Now I'm going to quickly use my face wash and I will be right back. Ta-da! I am back and this is how my squeaky clean double cleansing routine looks like. After removing my makeup, I like to go ahead with this. This is my face wash. If you honestly want to do cost cutting in your skincare, I honestly advocate for doing that in your face washes because आप उसको 30 सेकेंड के ऊपर नहीं रखते हो तो उसमें भले ही 10 किलो के एक्टिव्स हो या कुछ भी हो, it's literally on your face for like 30 seconds at maximum levels and even if you are like dedicated to it 1 मिनट तक रखोगे but उसमें क्या ही उखाड़ लेगा. And especially when it gets emulsified with water, I personally feel that the actives are not that activating. At least that's what in my mind. So anyways, I go ahead and use the cheapest face wash available in the market. Currently I'm using the Khadi face wash, which is orange and lemongrass, and it's supposed to like clean your skin and hydrate, nourish. Now honestly, it doesn't dry out my skin, which is a good thing. It does clean it to an extent. अगर sunscreen वगैरह होगा तो भी ये निकाल देगा. It foams really well. It comes in this really big bottle. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of this. पूरा December इसमें निकल गया है, Jan निकल रहा है इसमें. So I have no complaints about this. This is a nice organic skin friendly face wash that everybody can use. अगर आपकी mature skin है, dry skin है, oily skin, and because हमारे common washroom में ये रहता है, everybody uses this and everybody loves it. Now, I am personally again of a big opinion that your skincare penetrates in your skin much better and on a deeper level when your skin is hydrated. So yes, I did wash my face. There's like absolutely nothing. As you can see, I have a little bit of pigmentation here and there. So anyways, we're gonna tackle that, but first we're gonna hydrate my skin, for which I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Skin Fat Water. This is something I have been loving and obsessing over. I like to just give it a good shake. You need very little amount of this, so somewhere like this, and then just apply it everywhere on your skin. When it comes to this Fenty Skin, I honestly feel it definitely adds that extra hydration and nourishment. And again, I have dry skin and it definitely helps without being chip because again, you know, just because it's moisturizing and hydrating doesn't mean it has to be chip chip in. Can you see like my skin is already skinning? And jo bhi bacha hai na, I just like to use it on my skin because we ain't wasting. Of course, I'm also turned 26 this year, and which means I need to take care of my wrinkles, my skincare, and just, you know, anti-aging is a real thing and I want to be on the precautionary side of it, for which I have been drooling and obsessing over the Foxtale Retinol. It's one of my hands down favorite. I mean, it's a non-negotiable for me. I like to use Retinol at least, I want to say 3 times in a week. But yeah, this is the kind of amount I take, and retinol can be drying on your skin, right? So the Fenty skin really comes through, and yeah, I like to apply this all over my skin. On days when I'm not using retinol, I will show you what are the alternatives that I go in between, especially for my nighttime skincare routine. But if you are anything 20, get yourself retinol, like just get it, especially the Foxtail one. I honestly see results, honestly. And again, jo bhi bacha hai, everything goes on the skin. I promise you this is not sponsored by Foxtale, but I like to use their AHA, BHA and Pro Vitamin B5 Overnight Glow Mask. On days when I have big events, I just like to slather this on my face. I skip on my moisturizer. If you feel like it, you can apply your moisturizer and you can just call it a night, and you literally wake up with like a facial like looking skin. I absolutely love it. So yes, these are my 2 actives that I keep alternating between. Honestly, again, if you are not into Fenty skin, you can honestly use koi bhi toner. I know Faye Beauty has this milky toner which I'm really keen on trying, just to see how closer of a dupe it can be for the Fenty water. So yeah, I will keep you posted on my Instagram, so definitely follow me there. But yeah, can you see like my skin is already skinning? But like I said, retinol can be drying, so you have to top it off with a good moisturizer. However, in my case, I don't know, moisturizer feels a little greasy, तो मेरे पास एक alternative है, which is also an alternative on days अगर मुझे कोई भी skincare नहीं करना है, कोई भी मुझे serums नहीं use करने हैं, that I cannot get over. I absolutely cannot get over. This is like a hidden gem. I know CosRX भी आपको मिलेगा, but this is from the house of Bodywise, and this is their Snail Mucin, and it's their Snail Mucin Serum rather. इसका पैकेजिंग I'm a little like because you know ये कभी-कभी ना प्रोडक्ट ऐसे उड़ा देता है आपके ऊपर, तो थोड़ा बस you have to be careful with that. But yeah, it does have the lock system, and honestly 1 pump is more than enough, but I just like to go a little extra. It doesn't have that stickiness that the Snail Mucin does, at least the CosRX one, but yeah, I just like to slather this all over my face. And this is where I like to give a little massage to my skin as well. Again, whatever is extra, we put it on my arms. And yeah, honestly, this is more than enough. And I know right now my face looks very greasy and just dramatic, but trust the process. All of this is going to get sunken into my skin, and like honestly in the next 10 minutes my skin is going to look fine. Like it's going to look fine, I promise. And yeah, just like that, I'm going to just go ahead and use my Laneige lip balm. I cannot imagine skipping on this step, like honestly physically cannot. So that's everything I like to do for my skincare routine. Now talking for my hair care night routine, yes, I also have a hair care routine for my hair, and for nights especially I like to use some of the other kind of serums or oils depending on the number of wash day I have left. Today is the 2nd day and I want, you know, my scalp is clean, it's doing good, so I just want to go ahead and use some rose water. This is from the house of Alps Goodness. Is their rosemary water for you know, thickening your hair. It's silicone free, sulfate free and paraben free as well. So I just like to casually, very casually spray this all over my scalp, not hair but scalp. And I just like to give a nice head massage to myself. You know this. Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. The Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. I mean, honestly, guys, मैं अभी भी अपने आप को देख रही थी, and I never had hair over here. Like I just literally never had hair until now. So you know, I just like to go ahead and use this sometimes, and use this. Today I'm just feeling extra, so I'm just gonna use this in spaces where I know I would love a little care and nourishment, if I may. You can definitely mix it up as well, because I mean that's literally rosemary, so you know, together also they work very well. And the best part is अगले दिन ना मुझे बाल धोने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. It doesn't make my hair greasy or oily. Generally, I would also like to comb and like, you know, braid it or like just bun it, but I'm just in the mood of chatting, so मैं completely भूल गई comb करना. And well, just like that, it's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. बिल्कुल free है. Please help me reach 10k subscribers by the end of this year. And yeah, I will see you very soon. Bye.